My name is Tallulah, and I'm in How to Make a Movie.
My name is Alice, and I'm in How to Make a Movie.
Hello, my name is Carla. I am in the Make an Animated Movie class.
My name is Joel, and I am in How to Make an Animated Movie class.
Hello, my name is Maren Alexo, and I am in the middle school How to Make an Animated Movie class.
Over the course of the school year, kids like me have made a short movie. I am happy to announce that our movies will premiere at the 3rd Annual Middle School Film Festival on Monday, June 3rd in the Cab Calloway School of the Arts Theater. Doors open at 5 p.m. Tickets are available to purchase online at cabcalloway.ticketleap.com. You may also scan this QR code. I would now like to show you a short preview of the films that will be featured at the 3rd Annual Middle School Film Festival.